Hi everybody, Gary Porter again. I just got the final pieces done here, waiting on the goop to dry, and I got to tighten up the connections back here. Here's a voltmeter up to 200 volts. I'm only seeing, well, I just ran it just a minute ago just to see what it would do. I got 50 volts at 1 amp, and I've got my high voltage power supply here, which is a Pinnacle gas tube power with no ground fault protection circuit inside. This is a 9,000 volt 60 hertz 30 milliamp version. Variac here, a little bit of a timer from Walmart. My two RF coils are over here and there's a RF coil here, an RF coil here. Those are to dampen out the spikes coming back from the antennas. This one here is a group of capacitors, another group. This is the TX output. Over here over here is going to go on the TX. This is the ground side, and then this is the high side. And spark gaps right here. Fully adjustable, four tungsten pairs. And I can adjust it out here using the little thing for this vise arrangement. And then we got over here, we've got this is a 231 turn. I think it's 26 gauge or 28 gauge wire. This is about 10 gauge wire, about four or five turns here, and then the PC board antenna, and the receiving antenna, same thing, 231 turns, maybe plus or minus a couple of turns, I'm not sure, because I tuned this to be the center frequency of the two high and low frequencies on this one over here, and so the receiver is now tuned, and this has got like 4.5 turns, and that goes to the low side of this wire down here, and then I've got an earth ground to the ground in the system down here on the floor. That's going to go over to a pipe, and so tomorrow, once this goop gets dried, I'll be able to fire this sucker up again. And we're going to sit in the chair, set the timer for 10 minutes, and off we go. And say a little prayer that I don't fry my ass. Anyway, she's done, and anybody can build it. I've given you enough information, so you should be able to put this thing together between myself and Tony from Belgium. You should be good to go, and you've got the links to Tony, and anyway, that's where we are today. Have a go.